In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap images in Adobe Express. If you've ever wanted your text to flow neatly around a photo for a clean, magazine-like layout, this walkthrough will show you how to achieve that effect in Adobe Express using simple, manual adjustments. Start by opening Adobe Express and creating a new project. Pick a canvas size that fits where your design will live, whether that's a social post, a presentation slide, or a flyer. A clear starting size helps you judge spacing and proportions accurately as you go. Next, upload your image. You can drag it onto the canvas or use the upload option. Once it's on your artboard, resize it with the corner handles to keep the proportions intact and position it where you want the focus to be. Leave a little breathing room around the photo so your text has space to sit without feeling cramped. Add a text box and type or paste your copy. Choose a legible font and a weight that suits the image. At this stage, don't worry if it looks rough. Getting the structure in place is what matters. Now position the text around the image manually. For a side wrap, drag the text box to the left or right of the image and narrow the text box width so it forms a column. Move the text box close to the image, but keep a small, consistent gap so it reads clearly. If you prefer the text above or below the image, place it at the top or bottom and stretch the text box to match the canvas width, creating a clean block that complements the photo. Fine-tune the look by adjusting text size, spacing, and alignment. Increase or decrease the font size until the line length feels comfortable to read. Use line spacing to open up crowded lines or pull overly airy lines closer together. Adjust letter spacing slightly for clarity if needed. For text beside an image, left alignment usually reads best. For text above or below, center or left alignment can both work depending on the design. Avoid overly tight spacing that makes the text feel forced, and be careful with full justification, which can create uneven gaps. Keep nudging the text box and the image until the edges feel aligned and the gap between them is even. Zoom in to check details and read a few lines out loud. If it flows naturally, you're there. That's how you create a polished, wrapped text look in Adobe Express.